All right, so in this video, I have a look at the new Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére collaboration. This one is dubbed For the Love. And the color on this is white, diffused blue, and anthracite. It says Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP. SP packaging for sure. And you can see the A Ma Maniére see-through box. I love that. And then also we have Sideways Flight Jordan box there. And then I think my wife is getting back to me now. Anyways, this is the pair right here. As you can see, it is a very fun looking pair. And honestly, from images, I was like, yeah, it looks pretty good. Like I want to get a pair for like spring and stuff. I love the light look of the shoe. Kind of looks like a remix a little bit of this shoe, the True Blue Air Jordan 3s, but this is like a special one. For those that don't know, this is a sample pair, so you can see the midsole is a little bit different. It has a little bit of writing here on the side as well, but this is a sample from the international release. For those that don't remember, the international release actually happened first, and then they released in the US like a year later or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but there's not a lot to compare, to be honest. It's like an A Ma Maniére version of an Air Jordan, but you do have the Nike Air hang tag, which I like that, and it has an A Ma Maniére tag as well. Now this is the third release in the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3. I have the other two right here as well. So we have the original one right here, and then we also have the other pair that released I think last year. Both of these I think are excellent. This was my favorite like A Ma Maniére collaboration to date. And I have like the 5s and the 12s and the 1, 2s. I have like pretty much all of them, the 4s. But I will tell you, is it crazy to me that we have maybe a new king here? I like feel like this is my favorite A Ma Maniére collaboration now, which is wild. Like this was such a revolutionary, fun, different shoe. But coming into the springtime, I don't know what it is. Maybe just the fact that this is like super like spring ready. I just really think it's appropriate season to be releasing, but also it's just done masterfully. I love the color combination of this one. The suedes are a little bit like darker blue than I thought, almost like a dark gray blue. But I actually really like it. Like it's not too vibrant, which is something that's a little bit muted. So it kind of carries that same A Ma Maniére like style where it's just kind of like a nice color palette where it's not too crazy vibrant. You do have kind of like an aged sort of look to it as well with the eggshell on the midsole. Also on the back tab, it is discolored, which is super rad because if you look at the pair that I have right here, the True Blue pair, the back tab is aged a little bit and it actually does have a little bit of discoloration there. So I like that they kind of kept that energy and made it look very similar to that. Obviously, one of the key characteristics of the Air Jordan 3 that this does not have is the fact that they have no elephant print on the Air Jordan 3, but the other two didn't have elephant print as well. They traded that instead for this nice suede. The other major change between these and the regular Air Jordan 3s is obviously the quilted liner. So you have it around the collar of the shoe and then also on the insole. Now the overall fit on feet of these squares remind me more of the black pair right here because it's a little bit more pronounced and you can definitely feel the little squares like on your ankle and whatnot. I will say that the first pair actually had more of a luxurious sort of feel because it wasn't as pronounced on your foot, but I do like that this has the quilted liner on the footbed as well, something that we did not get in either of the other two pairs. In the original pair we had the Jumpman and just kind of a standard insole. On the second one, I really like this one as well. You have the A all over print across the liner. So I like that, but I love that they've kind of changed it up. Speaking of the third pair that has more change, the reverse side of the tongue. You have no branding on the back side of the tongue. It's pretty interesting. Honestly, I like the feel of it on feet because it's just like nice and soft. So it feels almost neoprene-like. I mean, it's really soft nylon. And then on the original one, you actually had a quilted liner on the reverse side of the tongue. And on the second pair, same as on the liner, on the bottom, you have the A's all over the place with the A Ma Maniére logo. So again, something I like. They made it just a little bit different than the previous. They didn't copy the molds from the others and then just slapped it on and produced it. They made it its own, and I really appreciate that. Now, one other change that they made on this pair is the collar around the shoe has more of a raw edge than the previous two. The first pair had suede around the heel, similar to the new one, but it was actually sewn inwards, so you could see it's like just more seamless. The second pair kind of took the raw edge approach, but it had this perforated like suede material for the top of the collar as well as on the laces. Then you had the suede details on the back panel heels and then also on the toe cap. On the first two pairs, they actually have the suede for all four panels on the shoe. The difference again being the new one has the raw edge on the top. I actually really like it. I like that it's just a little bit more rugged. And because of that integration on the back of this collar, I like that they added this in here as well. And honestly, I didn't catch this. So if you see my on feet section of this video, I didn't even notice these until afterwards. there's a little thing here, like a little paper protector from the suede and the white part of the pull tab. Shows a little extra TLC in something when they created the product. And so I like that they're considering the bleeding of the suede, because it's a darker blue suede, and obviously it can bleed over the white. And so yeah, awesome that they did that. So as I'm creating this video for you guys, I noticed there is the hidden message on the reverse side of the pull tab, and it says on one of them, you have to get comfortable walking alone. And then on the other shoe, it says, all we have is each other. Nice messages and really powerful stuff there. Also, they have the same messages on the first pair. So you do have a little bit more of a translucent heel tab on the back here, and it says the same messages on both of them. However, the second pair is a little bit different. They actually have a different message on the back of this one. This pair says do something about it on the back side of the heel tab, and I think it's the same on the other one. Let's see. Yeah, it says the same thing, do something about it. I love hidden messages and hidden meanings on sneakers, and the fact that they add a little extra breadcrumbs in, it really like elevates a product and honestly helps justify the collab prices, because sometimes, you know, we don't like to pay those prices. It's like $250 whatever for the shoes. So I had to look up to remember it was $241 shipped for myself. $225 is the retail on this pair, which is a lot. I mean, obviously I'm still wishing the Jordan prices were like 180 or 175 or 170 or whatever. I don't know. But $225 is kind of crazy. It ends up being closer to $250 if you have to pay taxes on the shoes and then like shipping and stuff, maybe even more. But for me, it's worth it because this is a colorway that I was very interested in. I got them, as soon as I got them, I threw them on feet and I was like super stoked. Like, I think it's a fantastic looking colorway. Again, it has sort of nods to the True Blue Air Jordan 3s, but done in like an elevated manner. I really appreciate that. I love the True Blues as well. Obviously, you can just get the True Blues if you would rather, but since I already have both of the other pairs, I figured this is a good option to have just kind of a fun approach. And I really like the A Ma Maniére collaborations, like as you could see from these other two, man. They're just done really, really well, and I'm just happy that I was able to get a pair of them at retail. I knew something was missing. So you do actually have an extra set of laces as well, but they're just white laces. I was kind of bummed by that. Maybe they're off-white laces? Let's see. Yeah, I guess they're cream sort of laces. I really do wish that they had blue laces. Like a dark blue lace would, I think, look really good on here. But other than that, I mean, the cream laces are good options. And it looks like this is part of a collection. The A Ma Maniére For the Love story celebrates the power of unity, joy, and our shared passions against all odds. The A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3 For the Love is one. The Air Max 95 Hand Wash Cold is another. And then the Air Force 1 Hand Wash Cold is the third. I didn't even try to get the 95s or the Air Force 1s. This is the one that I really wanted, and again, I'm happy that I got them. Anyways, what do you guys think about the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére For the Love? The color blocking is excellent. The suede materials look really nice as well. I'm there for it, man. I'm 100% there for it, and I'm happy that I got a pair. I do like that they have the Nike Air branding on the back as well. It's something that we saw on the previous ones as well. And some people think it should be reserved for just the OG, like retros, if it's an OG colorway that has a Nike Air. If it doesn't have the OG vibe to it, then it is the Air Jordan Jumpman. I don't really care either way. Like, the Jumpman's not so bad. I mean, I like the Jumpman. I came up with that era as well. But it's nice to see the Nike Air branding on the back. I don't really care either which way. If they have the mold for the Nike Air branding, let's do it. Anyways, hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Subscribe for more sneaker content. And yeah, hopefully see you back. All right. Peace, guys.